Let's look at the different parts of the microscope. Let's look at the arm and the base. The arm supports the upper part of the microscope and serves as a handle. The base supports the microscope and also serves as a handle. The stage is what supports the slides, this square piece here. And the stage clip, there's one on each side, helps to hold the slides in place. There's a light located at the bottom. It sends light through the hole in the stage to illuminate the specimen on the slide. And the diaphragm, you can't really see it here, but it's a little wheel or lever that adjusts the amount of light that passes through the hole in the stage and provides proper contrast. The eyepiece is where you look into the microscope. It contains a 10x lens, which means it multiplies the specimen 10 times its original size. The nose piece holds the objective lens and rotates and enable you to change the magnification. So the objective lenses, there's 3. They're used in combination with the eyepiece so that you can get a wider range of magnifications. So you've got 4x, 10x, and 40x. The coarse adjustment knob raises and lowers the stage or objective lenses, and the fine adjustment knob raises and lowers the stage or objective lenses a tiny distance so that you can have exact focusing.